Hi everybody, my name is Matt.Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Super Centers in Junction City, Oregon. Today to show you a great product from Jayco. Jayco is a company that's been around for over 50 years. They've got quite a legacy. They're well known for their quality. One thing I love about Jayco is that they build a great spectrum of products. Some of them are low cost or pretty entry level, but still have the very good qualities that their high-end coaches have. And in many cases, these are features you're not going to find in price competitive products, and the first of which is a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Most trailers just have a 1-year warranty on their quality and craftsmanship and the appliances, but Jayco covers their product for 2 years. Just imagine that you did a season of camping, you put your rig away for the winter, and next time you bring it out, it's out of warranty. That doesn't happen with the Jayco, and I think that's pretty cool. Most people don't use their trailer enough in 1 year to wear something out, so it's nice to have that extra time. Let's see the inside and I'll show you around. Now the first thing I want to show you about this Jayco is, this is called a 232, by the way. I should have mentioned that earlier. The 232 is one of their smaller non-slide rigs. It's about 25 or 6 feet total length, including the hitch. Not too heavy. So this is an excellent rig for people that have a light vehicle, a half-ton truck, or have a smaller space that they need to store it in, or that like to get into more remote campsites. This has a very large queen walk-around bed. This is a full 60 wide, just like one in your house. It's got great nightstands, it's got storage and overhead storage in here. But the nicest thing about this bedroom area is it doesn't feel really enclosed. It's a nice place you can walk around in and be comfortable. Now most smaller trailers, you have to make a decision whether you're going to have a couch or not. But this one has room with the walk-around bed. It also has a couch, and it has a booth dinette over here, and a really nice galley, and it's located right in the middle, so it's close to the serving area. Jayco has done a great job on this design too in the rear bath. I'm just going to stand back and let you go take a look there. The rear bath is awesome because by putting it in the back, it gets roomier, but the rest of the trailer feels more open. You have a porcelain toilet in here. That's a really nice feature. It makes them easier to clean. There's a great wardrobe storage and a great medicine cabinet there. Now, as we look in the main part of the cabin here, we see that this trailer already has a very large fridge. This is an 8 cubic foot fridge, much bigger than most small trailers, especially in this price range. It's a dynamite fridge, and it's a Norcold fridge, which I like Norcolds because they have a nice deep basin up here in the freezer. You don't have to worry about things coming out at you when you open the door, or if you inadvertently thaw out your 5 pounds of crushed ice. Nobody I know would ever do that, but if you did that, when you open the door, the water stays inside. It doesn't come out at you. It's got an oven and a microwave. It's got a deep double sink. It's got a really nice faucet with an articulating head. This has ducted roof air conditioning. It has a home theater system. So that's fantastic. The other thing about this trailer that's great is that it's constructed very well. Most of the time when you look at trailers, you can't really see what's under the linoleum. You don't know how the roof's made, but I'll tell you, this is a 5/8 tongue and groove exterior grade plywood floor and a 3/8 tongue and groove exterior grade roof deck. Fully trussed roof. In fact, Jayco has a patented system. It's a Magnum truss roof designed to make it very, very strong and reliable. You could look on their website and see some more information about that. Anyway, this is a great product because it's not too big, it's got a lot of storage, it's got a lot of seating, it's got a wonderful bedroom, and part of the reason it has all this stuff is because it doesn't have a slide out. Slide outs take away some spaces just as much as they give you some spaces because of the nature of the space. Let's take a look around the outside. Now, one of the cool things about this one here is this is a J-Flight, but it's also the Rocky Mountain Edition, and it's got a thermal package. The Rocky Mountain Edition does some things for you. The biggest feature that I think is important about this is it gives you an 80-gallon freshwater capacity. You can haul a lot of fresh water. If you're going to go out and dry camp for a while, this is a fantastic rig to be in because you can carry enough water. Most trailers this size only have 30 gallons of fresh, so that's a huge advantage. The thermal package refers to some special insulation, some additional insulation to make this more comfortable in cold weather. And that is dynamite for you hunters and winter sportsmen, fishermen and stuff. Let's take a look around the front here. One thing you'll notice is this diamond plate rock guard up in the front. That's going to keep damage to the front of your trailer to a minimum, especially if you're pulling up into more remote areas where there's gravel roads. Now's a good time to mention that this is a sheet metal exterior. A lot of people think that the coolest trailers are the ones with the fiberglass exteriors, and quite frankly, probably half the trailers built or more now are fiberglass in the outside, but the other half are sheet metal. Go look at a really old trailer or a really old boat. The sheet metal ones hold up better. This is better in weather. Sheet metal does not deteriorate from sun damage. And that means this is something that is durable and reliable and less expensive and sometimes even lighter weight. So that is a great feature to have that sheet metal exterior. We have a power tongue jack, which is very nice. A lot of times you don't see these nicer features in this price point. There's a full storage across the front underneath that bed. That's all storage when you lift it up. You could put a ton of stuff down here. As you look right here, your city water connection is here. It's got cable and satellite. You know, a lot of people today have portable satellite systems, and you can hook your portable satellite dish to this. You could build one into the roof like we do here at the dealership, but the portables are cheaper and you don't have to make any holes in your roof. I kind of like that. You look around the back here, another thing I mentioned earlier about the quality of the roof structure. This is a fully walkable roof. The ladder on the back is going to give you access to that roof. You could see that it's crowned, so there's a lot of water runoff. This is a very strong roof, and it's going to add integrity to the whole body, not just the roof. I love seeing these ladders because it tells me that they've got a strong construction in the roof. This is a sewer flush mechanism designed to help you clean out your black water tank after you get done dumping it, and that cuts down on long-term service issues to be able to clean that every time. And also it has an outside shower with hot and cold running water, so you can rinse people off or dogs off, or clean your fish, or whatever you want to do with that. Now this particular floor plan has an extra bonus storage area in the back corner, and you could put a lot of stuff in there. You could put coolers, you could carry a portable generator, or what have you. It's dynamite. You also see out here we have a power awning, and the awning now has the speakers built into the awning rather than the side of the trailer, which I really like because it cuts down on the number of holes that have to be made in the structural part of the trailer. It's great. And then of course you don't have those speaker wires running all over trying to figure out where they are if you ever have to fix them. The other thing that's dynamite is a nice deep tinted glass. It really cuts down on how hot it gets in the summer, and it gives it a lot more privacy. Okay, that's a good overview of the Jayco 232. I really like this trailer. Remember, 2-year warranty, over 50 years in business, and a great value all the way around. If you'd like to know more about it, or you'd like to come and see it in person, I'm Matt.Elliott. Thanks for watching the video. You can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.